नहीं आ रहा.
Kunal, good to see you, bro.
So guys, I was telling that Rahane could have also been a good captain. Like I feel that he's tactically very good. Like he won us the test series in Australia, especially the win at MCG and Gabba, where actually in MCG especially we dominated the test, and Gabba also, we had only our bowlers have taken 20 wickets. So I think in that way he's a good captain. Uh, I mean, he's almost as good as Kohli. I would say Kohli obviously brings that energy to the team,
Yeah.
and he has developed. But if he's
whatever.
playing, then he should be vice captain. I have that point.
Yeah, I think it's just that, they wanted to send a strong message to Rahane that we are stripping you of your vice captaincy as well. You might get dropped from the team. It's just about that. Baki to theek hai.
Yeah, exactly. I agree with Shivam.
If he's
As
fighting
good
for
as
the
Kohli.
team,
Yeah.
if he's fighting for his place in the team, he cannot be the vice captain. It's just that.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
Yeah, completely agreed with both of you. Yeah, he's as good as Kohli in terms of captaincy, but at the same time, they are punishing him for
Kohli is
his
better
poor
though.
form, and that's why they don't want him to be the captain. So, did it hurt
Yeah,
India?
Rohit
Yeah,
Sharma.
maybe. But
And
was it also a good move to tell some, because they're giving them, they don't want to give him mixed signals. Like, we don't want to tell you that your place is in danger and then make you captain in the next match. So that was a consistent signal from the team management to Rahane.
KL Rahul has only come into the team like 5 months ago, and he's now the captain.
Yeah,
So
Not even
I mean,
5
I don't
months.
know.
Yeah, 5 months actually.
living the dream.
Obviously,
पुजारा भी
these are
कैप्टन
very.
बना थे एक मैच में क्या, बट ठीक है.
हाँ मतलब यार ये
नहीं.
डिसीजन टफ है, मुझे पता है, मतलब ये डिसीजन इतना इजी नहीं है, बट यार बेस्ड
पुजारा
ऑन
पहले वाइस कैप्टन रह चुका है जबकि, राइट? आई मीन ही हैज बीन द वाइस कैप्टन आई थिंक एक दो मैचेस में.
he
तो
was the vice captain and then it went to Rahane, and I don't know मतलब ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. इससे अच्छा अश्विन को वाइस कैप्टन बना देते, या फिर अश्विन का भी वो लोग सोच रहे हैं वो भी ड्रॉप होगा तो फिर वो क्या वाइस कैप्टन करेगा पता नहीं. मे बी पंत को बना दो यार वाइस कैप्टन, बिकॉज वो तो खेलने वाला है, या फिर वो तो उसका भी डाउट है, पता नहीं. Anyway, like South Africa won 6 out of the 12 sessions. They won half the sessions and 2 sessions more than India. So we can say that I think India were ahead of South Africa, but the last 2 days, day 3 and day 4, were totally dominated by South Africa. So this is the session pie. South Africa taking 6 sessions, India 4, and 2 shared sessions, which were shared. So now I come to some of the discussion points which are very important. So Joburg was a venue where India had never lost. It's a venue which India has enjoyed, even though the conditions favor fast bowlers, bouncy bowlers. India bowled 53% of the short balls. And one more very important stat, this is actually the biggest chase against India in 35 years. So I could not believe this stat
impressive.
at first. So the last time any team chased more than this is 276, and Viv Richards, that was Viv Richards, Clive Lloyd and team who chased it in Delhi. They scored 276. That was a successful chase. And after that, this is the biggest chase against India in last 35 years. So after 1987, this is the biggest chase. Poor captaincy from KL Rahul. Yeah. Poor captaincy, short leg rakha hi nahi. South Africa dropped Vian Mulder, and their 4 pacer strategy actually worked. We thought कि यार all-rounder को तो रखना चाहिए हर टेस्ट में.
और मैच के पहले even I felt so. Yeah.
But dropping Vian Mulder actually turned out, did the trick for South Africa, because Jansen also bowled well. He took the wickets of KL and Mayank, and then you had all the bowlers contributing, like Olivier bowled well on first day. Then you had Ngidi, who was continuously keeping the pressure, although he did not pick wickets. He was great in Centurion, but Ngidi also bowled well, and all the 4 paces actually bowled well. That makes you wonder whether we should have also gone for maybe an extra pacer. But again, then Shardul picked up 7 wickets, so it neutralizes that point.
Yeah, man, you're reminding me of their pacers again, and I'm thinking it almost coming down to a very equal contest now, and India's series win over South Africa is not fixed anymore. So we have to really play well to secure this elusive series win in South Africa now.
Right. See, there is one more topic that I really want to discuss. Actually, this is the topic that is going to sum up the entire discussion. This is a topic that I want to talk to both of you. Ball has your name approach. What does this mean? इसका मतलब ये है कि यार तुम जब बैटिंग कर रहे हो तो तुमको पता है कि कंडीशंस इतना खराब है, मतलब कंडीशंस आर नॉट गुड फॉर बैटिंग, एंड एक ना एक ऐसा बॉल आएगा जो विकेट ले जाएगा, ठीक है? तो तुम क्या करते हो उस सिचुएशन में? यू ट्राई टू मैक्सिमाइज, मतलब तुम रन्स मारना शुरू करते हो, यू ट्राई टू स्कोर रन्स फास्ट. Do you think this strategy is good? I mean, Rahane and Pujara played with that strategy. Dean Elgar did not play with that strategy, but Keegan Peterson played with that strategy. So, what do you guys think of this strategy? Do you think it's correct? Because Dean Elgar did not follow this. He actually tried to survive as long as possible. He tried to survive, and he survived also. So, मतलब ये strategy के बारे में क्या कहोगे? Is this proper test match batting? Is it not proper test match batting? What do you have to say about it?
Yeah, I've always believed when the conditions are like that, it's against you. You should, if you become defensive, it means you're taking more pressure on yourself. So I feel it's better to maximize the opportunity you have. Maybe that will take some pressure off you, and maybe that will turn up to be a good thing. That's what I've always believed. But yeah, test match batting is not always like that, right? Sometimes you need,
especially
once,
in Joburg. Especially in Joburg,
yeah,
if you see Ganguly 50 was enough. That's why I mentioned Ganguly 50, because no one scores 100 in Joburg. If you leave out that test where AB and Faf scored hundreds, if you leave out that test, and in that test actually Pujara and Kohli also scored 100. If you leave out that single test match as a outlier, the 2013 test, in Johannesburg, no batsman has scored 100 in India-South Africa test matches. So what the batsmen feel, ball has your name. So a ball, कोई भी ball पे तुम out हो सकते हो. मतलब you are never set. On this pitch, you are never set. So
yeah, that's why I really enjoyed Pujara's innings in the second, Pujara's approach in the second innings. Yeah.
Yeah, Pujara and Rahane both batted with the same approach. Like, both batted very fast. I mean, the third morning, Rahane really started attacking. Like he hit a 6 actually from the upper cut. So,
and if you remember in the 2018 series as well, the conditions were tough, and AB de Villiers was playing at a very higher strike rate. He was smashing boundaries.
Do you think if we don't take that approach, maybe we could have stayed longer on the pitch? Maybe we could have got a bigger second inning score. Do you think that also? Because Dean Elgar did not follow that approach. Dean Elgar was actually trying to survive.
And KL Rahul also did not follow that approach.
Yes,
he doesn't follow
KL Rahul also did not follow that approach. KL Rahul also did not follow.
I think players who are in good form like KL Rahul and Dean Elgar can afford to do that, but yeah, others should try to quickly, because yeah, it will be rather important for the team if they can make 30 or 40, instead of playing for 50 balls and scoring 5. So
yeah, I believe it's never that straight. With Dean Elgar, right? That's the way he bats, no matter where he plays. Okay, so with Dean Elgar, he was still playing his natural game. So maybe it worked for him, but because it was a natural game. Otherwise, I'll say that this is the best approach.
A lot of actually Sena players play this kind in India because they're never sure when they will get out to spin, so they try to hit it out. I don't know if this is the correct approach, because I thought till day 3 this was the correct approach, but day 4 after seeing Dean Elgar, maybe because of the rain and the roller, the pitch got easy, and Bumrah really bowled shit. I mean, Bumrah was really shit. He bowled bullets. There was no discipline. There was no channel bowling by Shami like normally, which he does. They were simply bowling at the pads and expecting something. Finally, I want to hear from both of you, like, did batting lose this match or bowling lose this match? That is my final question to you on this test match.
It was the bowling, yeah. We needed.
I also agree it was the bowling. I also feel it was.
I think it was the batting. Like as I said, the first inning score wasn't enough.
Hmm.
But
Yeah,
yeah, overall,
I
the
think
bowling was never impressive. Never was. Indian, we
on
lost
the
by huge
second day, India
margin.
should not have conceded the lead. First of all, I think when you get Dean Elgar early, and I think India should have never conceded a lead because Marco Jansen and the tail also played a big part in getting that lead. And fourth day, it was very pathetic bowling. We are kind of used to bowlers winners matches now overseas, but this was not their day, and they bowled really badly. They were waiting for things to happen. Captain did not come up with any strategy, and that also bowlers were like they looked very deflated on this fourth day. So I will blame it more on the bowlers than the batsmen, because we have come to expect. It's all about expectations. I would not expect this from a bowling attack 10 years ago, which had Zahir Khan or someone else, Srishant or either Umesh Yadav maybe. But I certainly expect this from this bowling lineup. Maybe Siraj getting injured also had a part to play in this. So yeah, man, the way Rabada bowled, India could not replicate that kind of bowling. The way Rabada bowled, the way Jansen or Olivier bowled on day one, or NKT has bowled consistently. I think none of the Indian bowlers matched that kind of expertise.
No, I think the team did not do justice to the first test match. Like they should have been on such a high. I was expecting them to score 400 in the first innings, but that didn't happen. It should have happened because our Joburg
That's a
history
lot.
and winning the first test match of the tour. So I feel you guys are being harsh in bowling, blaming the bowlers.
Yeah, but also like third point, you see, this is the biggest chase against India in 35 years. So normally, even the past bowling attacks have actually managed to defend this kind of target. Since 1986, it is the biggest chase in India. So I would attribute some blame to bowlers because this was not entirely a flat wicket. I mean, I at least expected 5, 6, 7 wickets to fall, and maybe the tailenders could have carried in South Africa, but yeah, only 2
The wickets have
wickets.
become flat, and also we did not have 4 proper bowlers, right? Like Shami and Siraj were off, and then you also have to blame the captaincy, like you said earlier. The fielding positions weren't correct, so
Yeah, I mean the bowlers more than their skill, they relied on the wicket to do something for them, which did not
yeah.
happen. Yeah. So let's come to the points table now. India is now fourth, sitting fourth, and South Africa is a close fifth. And
Yeah,
obviously, you have
South Africa and
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh were not even in the table until this first week of this new year. They suddenly breaks in the middle, and it's
And
very interesting.
let us discuss a few things about Ashes test going on in Sydney. Like Australia, can
Yeah,
they maintain
England
100%, or they will?
last in the
Do you
table.
think their 100% record will go? Because that pitch is very flat, and tomorrow is the fifth day, and they have to take 10 wickets. And if you remember the last time, Ashwin, Bihari, Pant, Pujara, all of them actually were able to manage the draw, and Tim Paine was so frustrated. He's actually started sledging CU at the Gabba and everything.
Yeah,
So, do
yeah.
you guys think that tomorrow Australia can take those 10 wickets?
Man, if it was
And
India in the opponent, Australia must be thinking, oh man, we are going to lose this match. India is going to chase 360 on last day. But since it's England, I think Australia will be feeling 90% confident that they will be able to take those 10 wickets.
the way,
Yeah, Australia
और
will be
कुछ बता
feeling they
देता हूँ.
can do it.
Okay.
But look, the way Bairstow and Stokes batted in the first innings, I think England are going to fight.
नहीं,
But
मैं
So
एक
I
और चीज
think
बता
they're
देता
in
हूँ.
for a contest tomorrow.
कल rain is forecast for tomorrow. There is possibility of rain, and also there is one more thing. Actually, Butler is not able to keep. Ollie Pope was keeping today, and Butler is not able to hold the bat much. And also, Stokes has an injury. He's not fully fit. So these factors are also going to play tomorrow. But hope for a great match. Let us see how it goes. It has been a great
Yeah, I
match
mean,
for Usman Khwaja. Usman Khwaja is the exact opposite of Dean Elgar. Dean Elgar is a rock and Usman Khwaja is the artist. So
Wow.
totally different batting styles between these two players. But
Man,
yeah,
I don't remember seeing a player scoring 200s in a test match playing at number 4, like 5, late in the order. So, yeah, I really have to check stats. Like, who was the last player scoring 2 centuries playing at that position? Because we have seen openers doing that or number 3 doing that. But yeah, this is just a classic example where, even in India series, Australia could have employed an extra batsman instead of an all-rounder like Cam Green. Just like South Africa is going with an extra pacer, Australia should have gone with an extra batsman like him. Just thinking, yeah.
will Usman Khwaja play because Travis Head has scored 2 great innings. I mean, he has been very good.
Yeah.
I've always
So-
felt
But
Usman Khwaja is
really
better than Head,
match-changing innings.
but we have to also admire Head, like the way he has changed his game and he has started playing like Gilchrist. I think Australia should be try to use both of them. They both are really good players. They just drop Marcus Harris and make plays for
Yes,
both of them.
I think Marcus Harris is going to be dropped for Pakistan tour, and Usman Khwaja will open the batting. So that's what I'm hearing now.
Australia will be very serious contenders for the World Test Championship final. Early days, but they will be. Yeah.
Yeah. So
They
I
have
mean,
improved
Usman
their game.
Huh?
I mean, Aussies look like a force to reckon with now.
Do you guys think England and New Zealand have no chance now for reaching the finals?
इंग्लैंड से तो नहीं हो पाएगा. New
England
Zealand will
definitely not.
Penalty points on England, like 10
England से
penalty
नहीं हो पाएगा.
points have already been deducted.
England cricket
No,
seems very
England
sad right
definitely
now.
not. England,
Yeah.
though, they don't have the quality, but I would not totally rule out New Zealand till the last moment. But
Yeah, man, who
I
knows?
still
New
think
Zealand can beat Pakistan in Pakistan. Like, if they can do that. Yeah.
I
Yeah,
mean,
it
I
will
don't
be
think
very
they'll go to
tough.
Pakistan in the first place, but okay.
Yeah.
They'll
Australia-
clean Abu Dhabi, na? Even if they don't go.
हाँ वहाँ पे भी बोले हार ही जाएंगे यार. Can't difficult to defeat Pakistan in Abu
हाँ,
Dhabi
नजाज
also.
पटेल ने जिताया उनको यूएई में जिताया एक टेस्ट मैच.
Yeah,
You can never say.
yeah.
But,
और England, and I think New Zealand last cycle में भी श्रीलंका के साथ भी 1-1 करके आई थी, तो they will challenge Pakistan definitely.
डिपेंड करता है पाकिस्तान का फॉर्म कैसा है. आई मीन बाबर, रिजवान, ये लोग सब कैसे फॉर्म में, वो डिपेंड करते हैं. बट फर्स्ट न्यूजीलैंड को नीड्स टू विन द नेक्स्ट टेस्ट मैच स्टार्टिंग टुमारो. आई थिंक फर्स्ट थिंग विल बी दैट. And South Africa is also now a serious consider. They are almost equal to India now. Bangladesh have also come up, and they have come up above West Indies. So it's getting
I'm still not
interesting.
counting South Africa as a contention for the finals because they just have a very hard schedule in this cycle. Like, they have away tours to England and New Zealand, which I'm sure
England
they can
को हरा
challenge
देंगे.
the teams.
England को हरा देंगे. I am giving you prediction right now. South Africa is going to beat England. I'm quite sure about that.
Not at
Really
home.
coming to form,
Not
bro.
at home.
Ben Stokes is deadly in England. So
England did not play Ollie Robinson, who is the highest wicket taker of World Test Championship this cycle of World Test Championship.
he looked great in the first test match. I'm not sure what's wrong. Yeah.
They
He's
wanted
the
to play
highest
these
wicket
guys.
taker of this World Test
Jordan
Championship,
Anderson.
actually. Yeah, man, I am not able to understand, but Wood has bowled well. Actually, today they were looking at one point, Australia looked under pressure at 86 for 4, and this was actually the highest partnership between Green and Khwaja. When England just started waiting for the declaration to come, and they actually
Yeah. I was really hoping England might bowl them out for under 200 and match would be very interesting, but Australia still managed to reach 380 plus. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
And these is
So
batted really well.
let's-
Khwaja and Green, they were looking very comfortable as well.
and guys,
I
Hamid
think
has like 5 scores in under 10. Like, very poor performance from him. I'm surprised he's still there.
Yeah, England thoda sad chal raha hai abhi. Let's see. I'll not be surprised if Joy Root decides to step down. Yeah, how much pressure will Joy Root take? How much can he take, bro? I think he has to let it go now.
But even
think
though they have
even-
hard hitters like Butler, Stokes, and Bairstow, they won't go for the target, right?
No, they won't go for the target. That is for sure. They won't go for the target, but they will definitely, even without a fully fit, Butler and Stokes, I think they may be able to draw. They may be able to draw this.
I think Stokes will be trying to play innings like ABD, like 20 runs in 200 balls, something like that. Pure defense. Yeah.
If they play like that, I think they will lose. If they have to play their natural games and they have to try to build some pressure on Australia also, because if they simply try to defend, if you see the test match that India drawn, it's because of Rishabh Pant's attacking 97, which totally put Nathan Lyon out of the rhythm, because Nathan Lyon is going to be a big factor tomorrow, Sydney being
Sydney
the
day
spinner
5.
pitch. Yeah.
Oh, I
So-
thought you'll be banking on your man Scott Boland. I'm surprised you picked Nathan Lyon.
Oh, Scott
Yeah, it will
Boland,
be.
he's a legend.
Yeah,
By-
Nathan Lyon
by
will come into play
30
tomorrow.
overs, 12 wickets. Scott Boland,
Oh,
he's a
man.
legend.
I think
He's a
that's a
legend.
better strike rate than even the Akshar Patel in Ahmedabad.
Scotty Bow, he's the legend, man. Scotty Bow. He's the MCG specialist. Now they are calling him the Sydney specialist. So he's going to be a specialist everywhere. Now, wherever
Yeah.
he plays.
Yeah, I think if Root can bat tomorrow, right, England will save the test match. A lot will depend on Root.
Looks difficult, man. By the way, do you know England is going to West Indies right after this? They have a test series there. So England
Yeah,
never
West
stops
Indies
playing.
के साथ पता नहीं.
They never stops playing, and they're piling up records of highest defeats in 1 year. So, very sad state.
West Indies will be interesting,
England
though.
is in a bad state.
Poor players, man. They can't even catch a break. They have a test series after test series.
By the way, बहुत लोग अभी डीन एल्गर को दिमुथ करुणारत्ने से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं.
Hey, man, Elgar is better, man. Karunaratne and
Elgar has been better since
over the
years.
they've declined. Their form has declined. Brathwaite and Karunaratne.
By the way, Elgar only got chance because Graham Smith retired, and he had 2 ducks in his first test match. He bagged a golden pair actually. He's one of
This
those
is a
batsmen
long
with
time.
Marwan Attapattu, who got a golden, king pair on debut. But anyway,
So guys,
Dean Elgar.
I have to take off now, but I just quickly want to hear your comments. Did you enjoy the Mo Ali versus Cook's debate on the live show? Did you watch that?
Yeah,
No,
to be
I have
honest, I
not
don't
seen
like
it.
when things like these happen. I mean, Moeen Ali is still an active international cricketer. He should not give such statements in public. Cook से तो ऐसे भी किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, ठीक है, but Moeen Ali, it was not good from Moeen Ali at least.
I am yet to see that, but there has been another controversy on Shane Warne. Actually, एक bowler था ऑस्ट्रेलिया का Chad Sayers, who played one test match, and he has given a comment that Shane Warne criticizes own Australian players like Mitchell Stark को उसने criticize किया, and Mitchell Stark has proved him wrong. And ख्वाजा को भी बहुत criticize किया था Shane Warne ने, and now ख्वाजा has proved him wrong. So Shane Warne should shut up. He has simply written this on Twitter that Shane Warne should shut up. So Shane Warne ने उसको बहुत brutal reply दिया है, and it is like Shane Warne is a very bad person actually. He has replied that
You're realizing this now.
he has replied कि you were supposedly bowling pace. I was a spin bowler, and I would have feared Mitchell Marsh more than Khwaja. So Mitchell Marsh should be in the team, not Khwaja. Basically,
He
he's
still
been
said
backing
that
Mitchell.
after 2 centuries from Khwaja in a match.
Yeah. He's still saying that Mitchell Marsh, because actually वो सीरीज के स्टार्टिंग से ही जो कमेंट्री टीम था उसमें वो मिचेल मार्श का बहुत दिन से ही वो गा रहा है, तो अभी भी वो मिचेल मार्श को बैक कर रहा है टू बी इन द टेस्ट टीम. बट
Khwaja is a proper batsman. I think he should play more, yeah. But I
मिचेल
also
मार्श की
wanted to
दिक्कत
check
कुछ
that
और है,
clip,
इसकी
man.
दिक्कत इंजरी की है मिचेल मार्श की, ठीक है.
But Shikhar, you should check that clip. Like Mo Ali was very brave, criticizing Cook's captaincy on his face, and Cook even said like, "You ruined my holidays."
By the way, guys, new rule change before we stop. New rule change in T20 internationals. So when a team does not start its final over after scheduled close of innings, one fielder will be called up to the circle, and this is going to be implemented in IPL also now. So
so we'll see this in the coming World Cup as well.
Yeah. It's in
We'll see
T20
from
eyes. It's
tomorrow,
already
bro.
implemented. We'll see from tomorrow itself in T20 eyes, and it's going to be implemented in IPL also. So this has come today. Just today, this new rule change has come, and obviously there was a discussion to have a new dismissal called hitting the stumps, because Green का एक ball Stokes के stump पे लगा, and there was Bales did not come off.
Yeah.
So let's
Green
see.
has learned bowling, man. Finally, Green is bowling really well in this series.
I feel Australia is grooming Cameron Green काफी time से उसको
Really,
जबरदस्ती का
man.
pressure नहीं डाल रहे ऐसा कुछ नहीं डाल रहे. They're properly grooming him to be an all-rounder. This is
Seriously, man, if you
maybe
lose
sometime
home
you should do
series, I
this
thought
as
he
well.
will be dropped, but they persisted with him. They're teaching him. They're like really
Yeah,
working on
you
their
need to
players.
groom young players यार ऐसे थोड़ी होता है.
वो तो ठीक है, बट वो सब कॉन्टिनेंट में तो नहीं खेलेगा ना, तो
नहीं
आई डोंट
खेलेगा.
थिंक ही इज गोइंग टू प्ले इन सब
सब कॉन्टेंट में एस्टन अगर आ जाएगा उसकी जगह मेरे ख्याल से.
हाँ, तो सब कॉन्टिनेंट इज द रियल टेस्ट फॉर एनी ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेटर. आई थिंक वहीं पे उनका टेस्ट होगा. अभी पाकिस्तान और इंडिया का टूर है, तो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस देयर. So
Yeah,
guys,
man.
that's
I
it.
mean, I actually hope that these teams will tour Pakistan. It will be good to see, like, more challenge for these teams, man. Like, the SENA countries.
Well,
Yeah,
पहले तो I'm looking
let's.
forward to next 2 test matches for these 2 series. बाकी कल देखते हैं. But yeah, good day for
बाद
test cricket
में
tomorrow.
Yeah, let us see. The series finale will be previewing Cape Town Test, and we'll also be previewing the first ever Ashes Test in Hobart, which is going to be a day night. First ever
Yeah.
Ashes Test, which is being held in Tasmania State, island of Tasmania.
So the
guys,
first week of the New Year's have been underdogs week. South Africa won, Bangladesh won. So England might draw tomorrow.
And there
Was
are
South
rumors
Africa
that
really an underdog?
No, I mean, South Africa
सबसे-
felt like underdogs before the start of the test match.
And आज ग्रेट क्रिकेटर पे एक इंटरेस्टिंग डिस्कशन हो रहा था कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंग्लैंड हैव बीन सो पुअर दैट ऑस्ट्रेलिया आर फाइंडिंग न्यू रीजंस टू सेलिब्रेट क्रिकेट, लाइक पिंग डे टेस्ट और उस्मान ख्वाजा का कमबैक.
Yeah, man,
ट्रेविस
viewership
हेड का
कैसे करेंगे?
कमबैक.
Like, I seriously don't feel like watching much. 2-3 overs देख के Ashes, I just close it
अभी
off and
अभी
watch the
आज
highlights.
आज ग्रेट क्रिकेटर्स ने बोला है कि द नेक्स्ट मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग दैट कैन हैपन is Tim Payne actually coming back for the Hobart Test, which is his home ground actually. So let's see if that happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, capping off then for today. I think we have taken a lot of time. So bye, guys, and a happy new year to all our fans. Bye.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
See you guys.